welcome back to John Armstrong Rallying. We are in Belgium. We just picked up our hire car and we are heading down to Spa for the World Rallycross Championship this weekend. Never been to a World Rallycross event myself, so it'll be something new to see and soak in the atmosphere and just have a nosy around. Obviously I've done my first Rallycross race now, so it'll be exciting to see. Picked up the hire car there and we're driving down to where we're staying. We've just arrived at our apartment in Belgium in the city of Liège. Is that how you say it, Matt? Liège? Liège. Today started off with us getting a train down to London, and then we got the Eurostar over to Brussels, and then we got a car hire, which is a BMW 1 Series. Quite nice to get that as something from a car hire company, I would say, but it's nothing too fancy, pretty basic, but yeah, nice nonetheless. I'm here with Matt, who also works in Co-Masters. We're here for the World Rallycross round at Spa. We are very excited for it. We've well, Matt's been to one World Rallycross event before. I haven't been to a World Rallycross event before, but I've been to a British round. But I'm very excited to see the performance and speed of the highest level in this sport, and it's going to be really interesting weekend. Obviously me and Matt both work in Co-Masters on Dirt Rally 2.0, and we have the World Rallycross license, so it's always great to get as much insight into the sport as we can, and on-site, on-event experience is always great. We're just going on the Sunday. We didn't go today. Today is just qualifying 1 and 2, isn't that what you call it, Matt?
That's correct, yes.
Yeah, we didn't really bother with that. We just thought we'd go and watch the main event, but we've been following it today on social media, watching the live stream, and there's been a ton of action, lots of crazy overtakes and some cheeky moves as well, so hopefully some more of that again tomorrow whenever we're there, and we're gonna be vlogging as much as we can, showing you as much of the action, and yeah, we're really looking forward to it. So yeah, until then we're gonna go get something to eat now, and then we'll see you in the morning. Good morning. We are just walking to pick up our hire car. Taking in nice scenic views around the city, and hopefully the hire car is okay and not been vandalised, or my helmet hasn't been stolen out of it. Oh, you can go in the back of it there. You can go in the back entrance.
Big castle church thing.
Oh yeah?
Video that instead of your big head.
I can video it with my big head in it. Yeah, I just see the roof of it. Oh, what the fuck? Why is there a ribbon put across here? It's like sanctioned off. Anyway, this is our little hire car for our trip. Nice BMW 1 Series. Very racy, very standard, but yeah, cool little car. It's brand new, hasn't done many miles at all, so we're gonna give it a little race around this weekend. And turn down the music so we don't get copyrighted. How far do we have to go to the track now?
Not far.
Sweet. Can't wait to get there, guys. All parked up, walking in to Spa. Nice little fiesta, isn't it? But yeah, we basically done like a lap of the outskirt of the old track, I think, because we got lost. So we done a lap around the track, and yeah, it's really out in the sticks, in the nowhere, in the valley, in the forest, there's trees everywhere. So it's interesting place. I like it so far, and we haven't even got in, so yeah, it's gonna be a good day, I think. But the elevation change is just something that you don't really see whenever you're watching like races from home.
And the entry roads are the parts of the old race circuit as well. We actually did the
Yeah,
whole circuit.
Yeah, so the old race circuit is sort of like the public access roads now, which is really interesting. Matt was like, oh, here's such and such, and I was like, oh, cool.
Yeah, did a few laps of that.
You can play, I think you can play the old classic circuit on some games, can't you?
Yeah, it does exist.
I'll have to play some whenever we get back.
But
and
the
see.
elevation is unbelievable.
Yeah, I mean that's something that we always say whenever we go to like a track in real life. You don't really notice whenever you're driving in a game how much the elevation changes. I'm just coming into the circuit now, and there's a lovely big queue. After waiting half an hour, we finally got in through the gate. Got our little blue wristbands. A big thanks to IMG for sorting us out with some free tickets, which is always nice. Got the first corner on the main circuit, and it goes really steep downhill. Keeps going downhill, downhill into the dip there, and then up in the distance is Eau Rouge. It's a trophy truck. So I think probably the most interesting thing about Spa is the elevation change, because it's quite a simple track in essence. There's no, apart from Eau Rouge and Ralliant, there's not really.
Well, I think the middle sector
towards the end is quite simple. It's just long, fast corners.
It's worth a visit.
It's awesome. It's unbelievable. Scaffolding. Yeah, we're just walking under the grandstand. Which one do you want to pick, Matt? G, H? I'm gonna go for G. Yeah. You can go G. I'm gonna flip the camera around.
Every time we go anywhere, John falls down the steps.
Yeah, I always fall down steps or upstairs, catch my foot on a step and then trip. I'm gonna blame it on my new shoes. Super 1600s, getting ready to go.
1600 avec la première prise sur le point sur son Audi. Voilà pour ces 4 tours. La fin du premier, Gergely Martin qui a déjà un petit avantage par rapport à Marcel Succhi. André Experience juste derrière, juste devant. La 4e qualification. Pour le pilote d'Andorre, Olofsson. Et ils en sortent maintenant de ce banking avec des styles bien différents chacun. Olofsson, Volders, Jovera, avec un calendrier principalement européen, à l'exception du dernier rendez-vous qui aura lieu en... Et un championnat est issu de... avec la Mini et avec la Pique et donc la Renault Clio d'heure.
Première van Downy, wagen 13, naar Kevin Hansen in de Peugeot, wagen 71.
Paddock now. We watched qualifying 4 and we're beside Oliver Bennett's truck. We're hoping to get a Excite energy drink, but don't think he has any out at the moment. Well, there he is himself. How's it going? I'm doing a bit of vlogging.
Hello viewers.
Yeah, I think Oliver's left us to look after his car because there's no one else in here, but yeah, Oliver Bennett has very kindly let us come into his hospitality tent, and we're right beside his little Mini here. So you can really see how rough it is on these rallycross cars going through the gravel sections. Get battle scars all over them from following the other cars in front of them. The gravel really kicks up. 2-litre engine producing about 500 odd horsepower. So it's absolutely nuts. I think these accelerate quicker than an F1 car off the start line. Got huge discs and calipers for stopping as quick as they can. Cooper tires, see they're pretty much like a grooved, slick, very similar to a Tarmac Rally tire actually. And we've got Regger dampers, probably 4-way damping, completely adjustable, really heavy duty, especially when you go to some of the circuits with big jumps. Take a look inside. What's new for this year is this this net going beside the driver's head on the inside. Sequential shifter, handbrake right beside it, gear display here. Lots of different buttons and switches on the steering wheel for changing. So you got your washer and wiper over there, radio for your spotter, lots of different stuff like launch control settings, anti-lag systems, lots of stuff, yeah, it's absolutely crazy. So you've got your throttle, brake and clutch. You don't need the clutch off the line. But yeah, that's Oliver Bennett's Mini, really cool. It's the only C8 running, isn't it?
Well, there's another one.
It's all carbon fibre. I mean, all the supercars are. Like full-on contact. So we had a quick look around the paddock and all the different teams and cars, which is really interesting. Now we're getting much needed food, first bite of the day. Having some nice burgers, and we have the view of Eau Rouge and Rallion, which is sweet. Can't really get a better view than that. So yeah, so we're gonna finish our food, and then I think it's what are we on to now? Semi-finals.
Yeah, 2 semi-finals and then the finals.
Yeah, so more action to follow. On the grandstand now, the sun is out. It's shining through the clouds. It's not completely clear today, but when it is shining through, me and Matt are getting burnt. So last time at Lydden Hill, you brought the sun cream, which was a great job. It's a great job. Stopped us getting burnt, but oh, the sun's behind the clouds now. That's good. Just about to start the semi-finals. As mascots go, that's a pretty good one. Little helmet, a smiley face, and eyes. Sanders backyard getting ready to go. Oh yeah. Peter Solberg. Next room.
Finale de World Rallycross, championnat du monde Rallycross,
So nice to see Peter. He's like giving everyone a hug, saying good luck. So the first semi-final is over. Kevin Hansen crashed over the finish line, collided with Liam Duran. Liam Duran made it through. Anders Backer won the race, and Tim Sharnoff was second. So semi-final 2. This is the lineup that we have. Not really sure who's going to get through in this one. Probably Timmy Hansen, Weeman. That's my 2, Hansen, Weeman. Who else is going to get through? Not sure. Ekstrom's a good shot, yeah. Time for the final. Got Anders Backer on Johnny Weeman. Second on
in de Audi S1
Timosjanov,
33 en
third on the grid.
Voor de finale in deze van Spa Francorchamps.
La finale avec de la révélation du moyen de remonter, ça devrait nous donner un premier virage qui vaudra le détour en quelques instants. Et ce sera parti pour la finale Bakou devant qui passera en tête, le contact entre Bakou et William, Bakou, l'écart de centimètres, le russe qui surgit en première position. Une troisième fois d'affilée, Yannick Gomen, cinquième, lui aussi a été sixième de cette finale. Quel superbe spectacle.
So guys, that's our day over at Spa at the World Rally Championship round here in Rallycross. A really good final to watch. The winner was Timosjanov, second place was Andres Backard, and in third was Johnny Riemann. So yeah, it was really interesting to see the racing today. Really cool track, really enjoyed watching it, and you know, it was something a bit different I think for the championship, especially to have so much elevation change, and then the joker lap and final corner was quite different as well. But hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more, make sure to subscribe to my channel if you click here. If you want to see my first ever rallycross race that I competed in, you can click up here to watch that, and if you want to see another one of my videos, you can click here. But until next time, thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you again on the next one.